Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. We will learn to crochet. Don't be afraid that you don't know anything. We will learn all together. Let's start. Wool and hook are the most important materials in crochet making. There are hooks made of different materials in the market. They have different size, for example 5mm, 6mm, and then 3mm, 4mm. How can I use? To match, some symbols are present on the wool labels. The sign means that this wool is used with a 3mm hook. But I will use 4mm hook this project. Holding your yarn the way that I do this, I bring it around my little finger and around my pointer finger like so, but again please play around with this, because it will be different from person to person. You then want to take your end of yarn and wrap it around your hook. Bring it forward to make an X. You're going to wrap your yarn around the hook where we have held it, and we have slip knots. Look at holding around the hook, around. Yes, we have slip knots. How to do the chain stitch? Finger and thumb, and you are going to pinch just underneath the slip knot. And chain, you are going to wrap your yarn around the hook where we have created the tension. You then want to grab the yarn with your crochet hook and bring your crochet hook towards you and through the loop that is a chain. So I will show again. That's okay. You can crochet like this. We learned chain stitch in this video. I will show you single, double crochet and half double crochet next video. I hope you like. I'm sure that after this basic information we will make amazing projects. Trust me. Please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.